Great execution is never accidental. Most people think execution starts when work begins at site. It does not. Execution starts much earlier. At the inquiry stage, before timelines, before budgets, before a single worker enters the site. Every successful rollout begins long before execution. A client shares a location, a new branch, a new site, a new requirement, different cities, different conditions, different operational challenges, and the first question is never, can we do it? The real question is, how do we control it? Precision on-site begins with planning off-site. Before execution begins, the site must first be understood. Site surveys begin, measurements are captured, structures are studied, existing conditions are assessed, constraints are identified, because every location behaves differently. And every successful execution starts with understanding reality before planning delivery. Execution is built through coordination. Then begins alignment, requirements evolve, layouts change, operational needs shift, revisions move back and forth, again and again, until clarity is achieved, because execution cannot move forward without alignment between planning, operations, and execution teams. Control creates consistency, but approval is not execution. Approval is where internal control begins. Budgets are prepared, BOQs are structured, work schedules are created, procurement timelines are mapped, payment schedules are aligned, vendor coordination begins, dependencies are identified, resources are activated, timelines stop becoming estimates and starts becoming commitments. Timelines are achieved through systems, not speed. Some projects are planned months ahead. Some move overnight. Some location demands immediate mobilization, fast-track timelines, multiple branches, parallel execution, constant coordination, yet execution cannot slow down, because rollout execution is not managed project by project. It is managed system by system. Behind every finished phase is a structured process. What clients often see is the finished project. What they don't see is the invisible layer operating behind it. Procurement tracking, material coordination, vendor management, site monitoring, internal reviews, execution control, hundreds of coordinated decisions working together behind the scenes. Completion and closure are not the same. For AK Interiors, completion is not the end of execution, because execution is not considered finished the moment work stops. There is still validation, audit, measurement, budget verification, BOQ reconciliation, quality review, internal closures, because delivery is one phase, control is another. Execution is a system. Over years of branch rollouts and multi-location execution, AK Interiors has developed a more structured way of operating, a system shaped by real projects, real timelines, real coordination, and real execution pressure. Not built in theory, built on site. Something structured is taking shape. Coming soon.